Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss one of the very important literal that is called the null. So if you have come from the C or C++ world, you must have already heard about the null. So similarly like null in the C or C++ or Java, we have the null literal in the Python. So when we say x equal to none, if we say print x, you can see here we are able to see none. Remember, none is not the string here. When we assign none to some variable, we basically we are telling the interpreter that the value is not available at this time. Now you must be wondering why we need the null variable. Suppose you are working in a lab and you are finding the maximum temperature on each and every day. So suppose you have recorded the temperature for all the 7 days of week, like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So suppose for some reason when issue happen in the lab and you are unable to capture the recording on Thursday. Now when you create the data in the Python, no, you cannot put some random number here, correct? You cannot say on the Thursday the temperature was zero. So suppose I'm creating the one list with the temperature, and suppose if I say on Monday that the temperature was 75.5, on Tuesday it was 76. So this way, if you see here, I have put the none for Thursday. So in this scenario, basically I'm telling to the interpreter that the information for the Thursday is not available. See, let me give you one another example. Suppose you are trying to do some analysis on the financial data, and suppose you have taken the data of last 20 to 30 years. Now suppose for some reason the data is not available for any specific day. Now you cannot say the stock price of that company was zero on that day. To avoid those scenario, we can use the none. See, now it is up to you that how you can handle the none. For example, in this scenario, suppose someone asks you to find out the average of temperature for this week. In this scenario, you have the two different options. One, you can find the average of remaining 6 days. See, the second option will be to use some mathematical model to find the missing term in the series, and then you can find the average. So you can use the non-literal to assign any variable in case the data is not available at this moment. Hopefully you guys have got the basic understanding of non-literal. That's all in this video. Thanks to everyone.